my, look at that delicious chance ball.
Ow.
Oh my god, it's careful! Come to my arms, sweet mama!
So I guess he hasn't changed all that much, has he?
Hi.
Bathroom, I got to pee. I'm gonna sprinkle all my tinkle in the hoity. Oh, sorry about
Watch
that.
where you're going, Pipsqueak.
I assume you want us to overlook your little screw-up from earlier, right?
Guess so.
Puns are the lowest form of comedy.
Oh, Ewa, I got the chills.
If you catch a cold, I'm totally kicking your ass.
How can you be so mean to me?
Thanks, bro.
That third year, so you have to establish dominance.
Stop it, Tanaka. You look stupid.
Because you're the only one who gets penalized?
Chop, chop, man bun!
Activity, bingo! Say what? And sets and spikes. I'd rather do everything in the whole game all by myself.
Would you just freaking drop it?
Look at me, I'm a dumb jerk.
Somebody's got cojones!
Hello, I'm right over here, you know.
Morning, my liege.
Who needs to calm down?
Pill, my dudes.
So, another penalty, huh? You guys must like those.
Hey, you want a break right now?
Then how about we practice together? You know, one-on-one.
I've been inspired by a rather odd bunch of new friends.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but
I apologize for that outburst.
Me do a good spike. Me so happy feels.
I think you forgot how to talk.
I don't know. It's just been a while since it felt this good to nail one.
Come on, Bokuto. We need to stay calm here.
I am calm.
What? You're already saying your prayers? How bad is this?
Huh? Well then, twist my arm. Please don't take off your clothes.
What's the matter?
Kyoko.
I don't really get it, but I think it's a good idea for us to be scolded too.
We are prepared to take your punishment.
No.
Here.
I'm not smacking your butts.
I shall proceed. I offer you my best regards.
Let's see. The freaking moon. It's like they hit that on purpose just to silence the haters.
I have to threaten everybody.
What are you gonna do about it? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. You guys, I think Kageyama's dead!
One more pretty serve, pretty please.
I am serious. Settle down, kids.
Maybe we should have Kageyama channel his inner Hinata and do some messy feints.
I'd actually love to see that.
Well, man. That jump in the glasses sure has a punchable face.
Oh, it's Mr. Vanilla!
Don't let him get under your skin.
Hello, I'm Mr. Vanilla. Your timed lag attack, it might have been able to trip up our feral child, but it won't work on me. Continue to use it, though.
Here, I thought Karasuno's first years were just annoying little punks, but you really are a cut above the rest.
Why, thank you.
You're pissing me off!
Color me intrigued.
Guts! I'm psychic! I'm everywhere the sun don't shine! Oh my god, you are so annoying. Would be ridiculously ridiculous.
On any of your tells, you are done for.
Oh, thank you.
You should have called it Yukai, dude. I mean, sir.
Ooh, I wish you'd try something. Come on! Quit being nervous or I will kill you!
Oh, Asahi, you're just as much of a coward, but you don't seem to be that nervous.
He just called me a coward? Dude, shut up! It's not even that funny!
You shut up, moron!
I have had enough of you! You little turd!
Yeah, you are!
Hinata, you idiot! Can't you be quiet for 5 minutes? Go after every ball as if it's the last piece of meat on Earth! You! What did you just say? Wingless crows? Well... Cut it out now!
That's right. Do your best, okay?
See? I want to be more fired up about the game. But first I need a girlfriend. One that's sexy.
Keep the crazy talk to a minimum or I'll tell the coach to give me your spot.
What?
Well, that was something. I wasn't really sure how to respond.
Yeah.
Move, you idiot! Ginger, move your ass!
Okay.
It's gonna be okay, Specs.
Switch to silent treatment. What? You want to fight or something?
Oh, don't be a dumbass! All right, shut up, I get it. Hot damn! Already got your eyeballs on the ace position, do ya? Somebody's got cojones!
What is wrong with you?
Just go away! Oh, jeez! Why didn't you tell me, Specs?
Yeah, I've told you several times, actually. So are you mean or just stupid?